Hey guys, welcome to the display case tutorial.
Yeah, tutorial time, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
It's been a long time since we did a Gunpla essay tutorial.
You can scratch his head. Scratch his head.
Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to show Zenith, the winner. He's probably off cam, how to put it together.
But
But yeah.
Jeff moved it. So yeah, carry on.
Okay. Yeah, so let's get into it. So this is like the smaller display case that was for raffle, which Zenith has won right next to me. So I just want to show him, but also like maybe it will be nice to document it in future if we make something like this. Then you guys know, how to put it
Do
together.
you need glue, Jeff?
Yeah. So first of all, there's a top cover and then the bottom base. And the top cover is actually a storage compartment. So you pop it open. It's got the LEDs at the top. And here's the bottom base.
Dude, seriously, congratulations, man. Sorry, it's cool that Zenith won that.
Yeah, congrats. Yay. Yeah, put it to good use. So yeah, the bottom base also has a cover, which with like rubber little feet, just to prevent it from slipping on your furniture. Okay, so you assemble that first, and all the acrylic panels is in here. So I kind of just protect it. So the one thing that you do need to assemble is just masking tape. It holds, because everything just slots in. So the masking tape is just there to help, like temporary. My mind is blank. Can't think of English.
Because you're on camera.
And I'm sweating. It's like, oh, I'm not used to being in front of a camera.
It's all good. It's natural, man. People will appreciate and understand it, man.
Okay, so.
There's nothing to hide, Jeff.
And also there's like pressure with this thing as well. Oh.
Yeah, don't break it, man.
Yeah. With the winner right next to me, he's like, don't manhandle my stuff. Okay, there you go. Yeah, and I don't want to destroy this paper as well because he'll use it to carry home. Okay, so.
Are you going to assemble the whole thing or are you just going to assemble a portion?
No, the whole thing.
Okay.
I'll put the whole thing together. Okay, so let's get some masking tape. Good. I think I just need 2.
So while Jeff's doing that, we will keep the audience occupied with the sounds of soft jazz.
Yes. Thank you, Paul.
Get ready for a saxophonic assault.
Death by saxophone.
Death by saxophone.
Okay. So as you can see, the design is jigsaw style. Is that the right term? Yeah. So
yeah. No, that's correct. Yeah, it's jigsaw style.
And I just use the masking tape. Just hold it.
It's a nice
together.
jigsaw because it's not the type that's going to make you put you in a weird escape room.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I've never watched Saw, by the way.
Ah, you got the reference.
Well,
How have you never watched Saw?
It's just, I don't know, maybe it's just like, it's a bit too much for me,
Oh, is it very violent? It's a bit scary.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now the biggest thing is that one of the sides is going to be the front panel, like at home, before you put your kit in. Just masking tape the 2 sides, the 3 sides, and the front panel can be a bit loose, that's fine.
So the idea here is that you would essentially want to put in your absolute favorite kit.
Yeah.
Your favoritist kit, some might say.
Okay.
So it's not something you want to open and close often.
So at the top cover, there's also a slit as well.
For those of you guys that have never built a model kit before.
And I would recommend don't put in the top cover because, it just helps you to see where the tabs are slotting in. There you go. Okay.
So pro tip, thanks, Jeff.
Pro tip. There you go. So now you've got your case mostly assembled. And then you just put in your kit that you want. Hey, Wing, are you going to fit in?
Oh, Jeff, you failed. It can't fit the gun. No, you can just put it in at an angle.
Yeah.
I mean, it's generally my advice.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, as you can, if you've got like HG kits or RG kits, you can kind of estimate how big the space is. It's about 40 centimeters high and then 30 by 30 across. But anyway, and then the final thing, before I put in the front.
So how do we put the front in?
I'll show you. We just gently lift up a little bit.
That's the question everybody has on their lips right now.
Ooh, Zenith, I'm going to have to Yeah.
So you're not meant to do that.
Cement
so
that,
careful,
yeah.
you can break it,
Yeah.
apparently.
Yeah, I just cement it together. Okay. So at the back, there's a little hole for the wire to come out, and then just plug it in, and then.
Wait, hold on. I just want to make sure.
Ooh.
Can you do it? Ooh, lit up. Would you
Ooh.
mind? Would you mind showing us how you put the plug back in the extension cable?
Yeah, just in case you guys don't know how to operate a power plug. There you
There we
go.
go. Just show us, Jeff. There we go. Thank
You
you.
put it in all the holes, all 3 holes.
Awesome.
Fill it up, yeah.
That's how you do it. I was just worried that maybe people wouldn't know how to use an electrical appliance. Like
Kevin's like, yeah, holding it in. Okay, so the final thing is the front cover. So obviously just match up your jigsaw
that.
shape.
I wonder how many people's kids watch this.
Okay, so slot it in at the bottom first, and then at the top you just lift up the top cover. You
But
must-
like gently.
yeah,
Yeah.
and then there you go. And then yeah, boom.
Is the slap mandatory or is it okay? Can you do it without the spank? I'm asking for a friend.
Yeah,
Thank you. Okay.
it's mandatory. It's to give
Okay,
it
you
good
have
luck,
to give
yeah.
it a bit of a spank. Okay. No, good to know. It's a box. I get it.
Yeah, gotta clap them cheeks. There you go. And then yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Okay.
Jeff, thank you for the box
Yeah.
design.
Okay, and then Zenith, you got that? If you didn't follow, here, you can just watch back the video. Okay, cool. Okay, and then yeah, let's
I
do
hope
it
everybody
during
paid
reverse.
attention. This will be on the test.
Yeah. Okay, then yeah, bye guys, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Boom.